Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a review of one of the best affordable bassinets for babies on the market, the Dream on Me Karley Bassinet. If you're a parent-to-be or looking for a practical yet stylish sleeping solution for your little one, this video is for you. The Dream on Me Karley Bassinet is designed to be lightweight and portable, making it incredibly convenient for both indoor and outdoor use. It features a sturdy aluminum frame that allows for easy maneuverability and a quick fold mechanism, perfect for storage and travel. With dimensions of 34.5 inches in length, 19.5 inches in width, and 37 inches in height, the Karley Bassinet provides ample space for your baby to sleep comfortably. It includes an adjustable double canopy that helps protect your baby from bugs and provides shade. A large storage basket underneath the bassinet offers convenient storage space for baby essentials. Made from soft and safe polyester foam fabric, the bassinet is easy to clean, which is a big plus for busy parents. For safety and peace of mind, the Karley Bassinet comes with a dual-sided 1-inch thick mattress pad that meets ASTM and CPSC safety standards. It's suitable for newborns up to 25 pounds, ensuring a secure and comfortable sleeping environment for your baby. Assembly is a breeze with no tools required, and when folded, it measures just 19.5 x 6 by 32 inches, making it easy to store or transport. Available in a variety of attractive finishes, it can easily complement any nursery decor. To wrap up, if you're looking for a budget-friendly bassinet that doesn't compromise on quality or style, the Dream on Me Karley Bassinet is a fantastic choice. Its lightweight design, spacious interiors, and convenient features make it a hit among parents. Don't forget to check out the links in the description if you're interested in purchasing one for your little one. Thank you for watching today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and recommendations. See you next time on Product Critique, where we help you make informed buying decisions. Take care.